Kanen Coffee, here we have this beautiful Breville espresso machine. Now for this machine it was rocky because no water was coming out. Whenever you were trying to use the water, the machine will just do a little bit of water and it will just stop. And that was because the flow meter behind the machine was no longer detecting water going through the system. So the system, in order to protect itself, it will just auto shutting off every time you try to use the water because it was not detecting any. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and the steam. Now it's gonna do pre-infusion. Takes approximately 7 to 8 seconds depending on the machine, and then it's gonna give the full pressure. We're using our test coffee, so that's why we don't have any crema, and we are using a very coarse grind. We're just testing the flow of the machine. As you saw, flow of the machine keeps coming out. That is pre-infusion, just a little bit of water to get the finer grounds all the way to the bottom of the portafilter, and then that will be extraction where it pushes completely all that pressure through the coffee grounds. Even though our shot was extremely fast, we got a little bit of crema on top of it as well. As you can see, water definitely keeps coming out through the groove head and is pressurizing the way it's supposed to. Grind size, we have it at 9.5. As you can see, water tank sensor definitely works too. It can detect water. Hot water, as you can see, steady stream coming out through there. And now we're gonna be testing the steam. Now this machine needs to get up to temperature for the thermoblock to produce steam, but once it does, we're gonna see steam coming out slowly through this one, and once it gets up to pressure, we're gonna hear the water pump pulsating, and we're gonna see the full pressure of the water. Getting there. As you can see, steams perfectly. Comes out nice and easy. Working great. Excellent pressure. So there you have it, Breville Barista Express working once again. Thank you so much for repaying me Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.